Hey everybody, welcome to our monthly community call for Crust Network. I'm Loot, or the Jesus Crust on Twitter. I'm happy to hold this 14th community call of ours, especially for this month. It's the very first of the year 2023. And as you already know, what we do usually during these community calls is that we sum up the achievements and progress over the last month. But if you're interested in what we achieved over the entire year of 22, then please go to our Medium blog page and you can find a sum up of our achievements in the year 2022. I put you the link below. But it's very easy if you just Google it. Cool. Then let's jump into the technicalities. So as usual, a update regarding our MAINNET infrastructure. At the moment, we have 1,271 nodes with like an overall storage capacity of a little bit above 550,000 terabyte. And we are in stable operations now for 16 months. Most of you probably noticed the network side decreased a little bit. I guess this is due to the market situation. But regardless of the reduced storage capacity in our network available, we can see that the numbers of unique files uploaded and hosted on Crust Network is still in an uptrend. And I guess soon we will crash the 2 million files mark. Let's look into our technology, specifically on our protocol side. As you probably know, we secured our slot for the Polkadot parachain, and we are working on making it live at the moment. So, for example, we completed the two-way ACID cross-chain bridge from the Polkadot parachain to our MAINNET standalone chain. And provide some support to realize a seamless upgrade to our Polkadot parachain. Then we also added the support for cross-chain storage to the Aster, respectively Scheiden network. And you can also find now some resources regarding that in our official documentation. What we did as well is that we worked on our IPFS Web3 authentication gateways. We optimized it to increase performance, but also to increase security to be more resistant against malicious attacks. Then we upgraded all our dependency packages to the metadata 14, and we adapted this to several of our basic modules like the democracy module, the storage model, or our treasury. Looking at our Crust Files application, we are now displaying the data management function for Crust File users, and also we're working on increasing performance via a random distribution of gateways for Crust Files and separation of upload and access. So this increases the user experience and makes it more seamless. Not just on the technical side, we can see some progress or achievements. Also on the ecosystem side, we partnered with several projects in the last month. One of them is Polkadex, a decentralized exchange on the Polkadot side. They're using Crust Network now to create backups of their order book, just in case if something goes down, something is missing. There always will be a replication of the order book for Polkadex on Crust Network to have a backup, and which adds an additional layer of security and keeps user funds safe. Then we also partnered with Always NFT. That's for the NFT metadata storage. Always NFT is an Australian service provider that provides infrastructure for NFT metadata storage on IPFS. And since recently, now you can pin your data additionally to Crust Network to get high amount of replicas, to get immutable and protocol guaranteed storage. Another thing we're working on is a Crust educational series, so a series of tutorials where we want to help Web3 developers to experience decentralized storage, to make their first moves on decentralized storage. And we already published the very first tutorial, and the use case for this was the hosting of decentralized websites with Crust. So if you're building your decentralized application and you're looking for a service provider to host it, this could be very interesting for you to host it totally decentralized on IPFS, always available, immutable, and secure. And our CTO and co-founder Luke made like a nice video how you can do all of that in just 10 minutes. And it's a super easy, simple process. Uniswap, Avi, most of those big players are already using this kind of service for specifically this use case. So I think it definitely makes sense to give it a look. Also in regards of the year 2022 or the end of the year 2022, we created a small overview Crust ecosystems of different projects that already are partnered or using Crust network, and also categorized in different use cases. So we can see different kind of projects from DeFi over Web3 tooling, SocialFi, NFT, infrastructure projects, all of them already partnered with Crust Network. I think overall we have more than 150 projects that are already collaborating with Crust Network on different kind of business scenarios. And we're looking forward to a successful year 2022 to just extend this ecosystem with way more partners and to get people onboarded to Crust Network. And we personally believe that 2023 will be a year where Web3 infrastructure will get its time to shine, and we are prepared and have our services and products positioned. So we're looking forward to onboard even more partners next year or this year. Also on the community side, we haven't been quiet. So we hosted different online and offline events. One offline event was the event we hosted together with Chainlink in San Francisco to talk about Web3 infrastructure, to talk about how to build for a scalable future. And our partner Uvia took part for us, represented Crust Network in this event, took part in a panel talk, and had a strong opinion about the topic. Then on the online side, different Twitter spaces, for example, with Polkadox and Oak Network, also XX Network, another partner of ours, where we talked about the power of self-custody, especially in regards of the recent issues with centralized solutions. Another Twitter space with Meet48, OneLand, and NFT Star to talk about NFT creator royalties. With Web3 Auth, we had a Twitter space also talking about non-custodial wallets. With our partners, Remark, Tenora, we talked about the importance of NFT metadata, why NFT metadata matters, why it's so important to keep your metadata decentralized and immutable. And we also partnered with Link3 to have all our community-related resources in one spot. You also will find there information about events. So maybe you want to check out our page on Linktree. You will find the link on the right side. December was a month of a lot of fun in our community. We held multiple Twitter spaces or in competition with our community account. So we had different meme competitions. We had like a Crustmas karaoke competition, and we even recently had like a Crust rap battle. So if you guys are interested, I think one of those Crust raps is even online on Kusama as NFT. So maybe you want to check it out. Very cool. Thank you to our community, to all of our members. We really appreciate it. your input. We had a lot of fun in December, and we hope to keep doing this with you guys in the future. All right, that's from me. Thank you very much for listening in, and see you next month. Bye.